kiddos, you're watching Kiddos Toys. I'm Daphne and today we have a special guest, my little brother, Captain America! Yay! Hi Cap!
Hi.
And today we're going to be opening some surprise eggs. Woo! Okay, I'm excited. Are you excited, Cap?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's get started. What egg do you want to open first? This one?
Yeah.
Look at it, it's really pretty. Okay, here you go. Open it. Let's see what we have. Wow, what is it?
Princess.
Princess?
Yeah.
Whoa, look it. It's a princess ring. And let's see how it looks. Look it. It has Rapunzel and Ariel. Ariel. It doesn't fit me. Okay. Okay. What do you want to open next, Cap? What do you want to open next?
Mama.
Wow. Let me see. Whoa, look at this one. It's purple and it has a huge mustache. Okay, here you go, Cap. Okay, let's see what we have. Wow, it's Tommy from Tickety Talk. Look, he's so cute. And his head moves and his arms too. It also comes with a little butterfly net. Look it. Wow. And it attaches to his hands. Let's take that one. Let me see. And it also comes with this little drum that comes and it has like the little sticks right here, and oh my goodness, I love it. It's really cute. Okay, and it also comes with this bouncy ball. See? It's really cute. Okay, what do you want to open next, Cap? That one? Wow, look it. It's winking at us. It's saying hello, and it's green. Okay, here you go. Wow! It's a wrist bracelet for Captain America. Look it. It's really cute.
Yeah.
It's blue and it has the little Captain America shield. See? It looks awesome. Okay. See? Whoa. We have a fashionista captain here. Okay. Which one do you want to open next?
Okay.
This one? Whoa, this one's really pretty. It's red and it has a huge mustache on it. Okay, here you go, Cap. Open it. Let's see what we have. What is it? Oh my goodness. It's Hulk. Hulk Smash from the Superhero Squad. See? And it's really cool. Here you go, Cap. The two superheroes from Marvel, the Avengers, joining. Okay, what do you want to open next, Cap? This one? It's another red one with a mustache. Okay, here you go. Open it. See what we have. No way. It is a princess puzzle. Let's open it. Okay. And it is hard to open, guys. Okay, got it. It has Cinderella and Ariel and Rapunzel and the one from Beauty and the Beast, Aurora. And it also has Ariel, Rapunzel, Snow White, and Belle right there. And look, you twist it. It's the one you twist, and you have to make it like that. It's really hard to make these. Okay, here you go, Cap. Which one do you want to open next? This one? Look at it, it's orange and it's smiling at us and saying, hello, guys. Okay. Whoa! It's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, and his name is Raphael. Hi, guys. you go. Okay, which one do you want to open next?
That.
That one? This one's also orange. Here you go. What is it? What is it? Whoa, it's also from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's the goo. It says ooze. Let's take it out. Look, squishy. Whoa, look, it's really squishy. You can stretch it out. It looks like gelatin, but you're not supposed to eat it. Here you go. But don't eat it, okay, guys? Remember that. Oh, it also sticks to your clothes. Okay, let's put it back on here. Which one do you want to open next, Cap? The yellow one, because it's happy, happy, happy. Yes, it's pretty nice. Here you go. Open it. Shake it. What is it? What is it?
Bubbles.
It's Bubbles. It's Bubbles from Cars. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, let's blow some bubbles here. Okay, I think we're gonna save that till the end better. Okay. We're gonna open this one next. This one's a green and it looks nervous. Okay, you open it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Captain. It's another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Let me see. Oh, it's okay. This one is my favorite, Michelangelo or Mikey. And it also goes on your finger. It's a finger puppet. Oh my goodness, I love it. Here you go. Okay, last but not least, we have this blue one. And it's winking at us. Here you go. What is it? What is it? Whoa, it's a Spider-Man whistle. Let's take it out. Whoa, look at that. You could put it around your neck and take it everywhere. Here you go, blow on it. Like this. Wow, it's loud. Oh, okay. Now let's open the bubbles. Bubbles everywhere. Okay, kiddos. Well, these are all the goodies we got today in our surprise eggs. And before we leave, I would like to give a shout out to two of my subscribers, Dari and Genesis Navarro. Thank you, kiddos, for your cooperation and your support. Also remember to subscribe and like our video. And thanks for watching, kiddos. I hope you like our video today. Bye, Captain America.
Bye.
Bye, kiddos.
Bye,
Good job, Cap.